So everything you need to change the oil in the motor and the lower unit is right here. It's about a 3 beer job. 11/16 socket. Filter from Napa. The part number is 7356. An oil filter wrench. 3 liters of either 1030 or 2540 4-stroke oil. The gear oil for the lower unit is SAE 90. Need a nice wide flat tip screwdriver to take the drain plugs out of the lower unit, and a couple pair of these plastic gloves. Makes cleanup easy. If you have all the materials on hand, the whole job should take a half an hour. That's including letting everything drain thoroughly. Okay, we're doing a video how to change the engine oil and the lower unit oil on the Mercury 4-stroke 60 horse Command Thrust. Down under here is the drain for the lower unit. I'm going to loosen that with it up in the air. Once I get it out and lower it, I'm going to open the vent up, and that'll let it flow. We got some cardboard in a catch basket. I'll put you on pause. The engine oil drains down here quite a bit below the engine with an 11/16 6-sided socket. I've got a funnel and a milk jug to catch the oil. It's going to hold 3 quarts. You're going to need a funnel that will handle a pretty quick dumping of 3 quarts. So make sure the outlet on the funnel is big enough. This one's going to be kind of questionable, but the funnel itself is pretty big. So I'm going to drain it, put you on hold. Okay, that's still dripping. Now the next thing is the oil filter. Be sure to stuff a bunch of paper towels down here inside the compartment because there's no getting around it. It's going to leak. The lip that's down there underneath the filter is actually below this cowl, so you can't even get a deflector shield in there if you wanted to. So unscrew it quickly and get it down here in the drain bucket to dry. Okay, so the the oil's all been drained out. We got a new. We went with the Napa equivalent, 7356. We'll put all this on the end of the video. Put about an ounce or so into the oil filter, so when you put it on, it's got some in there, but not so much it's going to tip out. Put it in there. Alright. We got a wrench on there. So what you wind up doing is finger tight and then snug. You don't want to tighten it, just bring it up snug. It's got a rubber gasket in there. On the oil filter, the rubber gasket, we rub the little clean oil on there to give it a little lubricant so it tighten up nice. The plug that goes in here has a magnet on it. Gonna clean any kind of magnetic debris, put it back in. I put 3 liters of oil back in this hole. I don't think we need to roll the film for this. So next video will be filling the lower unit. After the oil has drained, I'm going to fill it up with gear lube oil in this pump. About 300 pumps later, it should come out of the vent hole. Then we're going to plug the vent and fill it up till it comes out of the fill hole, and then plug it, and not much will drip out with the airlock in there. And then unscrew this and put the plug back in. Make sure you clear any debris off of the magnets that are on the plugs.